Welcome back to Turbo Volcano Art Supply Reviews, where I'll be using all three brushes from the Pigma Professional brush set from Sakura to ink this drawing of Kitty Mark II from my book Robot Kitten Factory on some Bristol paper here left over from a previous pen experiment. So let's watch how all of these pens work together to ink a kitten that makes black holes and flies through space. There you go, and in the next video we'll take a look at the Mono Zero elastomer eraser as I erase the pencil lines of Kitty Mark II.